Hello everyone, we are the fishing family and we're back fishing again today on this good Saturday. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Today's Saturday. We are leaving out of John Penny Camp. Going to try some old spots because we still don't have a GPS installed yet. We have it, but it's not installed. We're going to do an open box video on that also coming up. Yeah, unboxing video coming up. So we got it. We just got to get it installed. So today we don't have anything. It's not working. It's the old one. So we're going to head to some old spots and try fishing around some old spots and see what we can do. Try and see if we can bring some fish home and do some kind of cooking fishing video. All right, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Hey everybody, I just want to show you guys something real quick. We're going to get to our next video in a little bit, but before we do that, we're going to do an unboxing of our new GPS unit that we just received. And I want to show you guys our new YouTube studio we got set up here. Woo! This is our studio. So now, when we do our live feeds and everything, now you're going to see us in the studio. So now, I want to get to unboxing of our new Garmin UHD2 74 CV Eco Map. Okay, so we got a new GPS. The old one died, a few videos ago, and so now we've been riding blind. So now we got a new GPS. I'm gonna unbox this thing. It's the Eco Maps UHD 2 74 CV. CV means down view. Since we go offshore a lot now, I want a down view. I don't want a side view anymore. So open the box. We got some styrofoam here on top. Right here, you see the unit. The unit right here. We're going to install this thing. There you go. And that's the unit. Got some buttons on the side. It's about a 7-inch screen from here to here. The control buttons on the side there. You open this up. Styrofoam. We have a template so you can make the hole in the console. We already have the hole there already, so we're not really gonna need that. And more. We got power cables here. We have some more other stuff, zip ties and screws, and like it came with everything. The bracket, cables there, instruction manual, that's like the transducer right there. So like it came with everything you need. And a bracket to mount it on top. Got the rubber gasket to go around so it won't leak inside the, we put the mount, we mount it on so it won't leak. Water don't get behind it. And parts to the bracket. And some instruction manuals and more screws. So it's pretty cool. We're gonna try to see if we can put this thing on. All right. So it's the Garmin Eco Maps UHD2 74 CV. Okay, 74 CV. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Take the plastic off. There it is. Woo!
Dang.
It's the new Garmin. This is our new unit that we're gonna be working with now. They got maps and everything. It's almost like the last one we had, which was pretty good. It wasn't bad for its age. It was a little older, but it was pretty good. And this one, it's just an upgrade to that one. So it's pretty much an upgrade. It's pretty much what it is. Yeah, upgrade. So we're gonna go install this thing, and we'll get back with you. Well, I won't get back with you. We're gonna go to the video and watch this video, and we're gonna cause we caught some fish, but we didn't do very well. Remember, we didn't have a GPS, so I'm going to old spots, just fishing around old spots. So we're gonna cut to the video, and maybe another video I'll show you that I installed this. Okay, so happy Father's Day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this channel, and peace. We over here in the ghetto, in Largo. And I'm spot. I just got a grunt, big grunt. I saw some snooks and some snappers, but the only thing bites a grunt. But that was a nice grunt. Too bad he fell off. So we're over here. Got kind of a late start today, but not too bad. Hope it kind of cool off a little bit so the fish start biting a little better. So far, that was the only fish we caught. And that's it. We'll keep trying until we get something. We'll keep poking around some spots around here and see if we can find something. Alright, so. Cool. I think I had him at first. I felt him pull. That's another grunt. Grunts. Where's all these grunts, man? Jeez. Look at all these grunts. I'm about to change Caleb now. Grunt. What's all these grunts? I want to catch a snapper or something. Not all these grunts. You got enough grunts. I mean, grunts ain't, it's not bad eating, but you know, they're not bad at all, right? The last time we had grunts, they weren't bad. Just too many. I'm tired of catching snappers. I want to catch some snappers or something now. No more grunts. Come on, snappers, where are you? Throwing way back in the back of the deal. No, I'm gonna wait for Troy. And then for Caleb, I can put a heavier weight on his line.
A heavier weight?
Yeah. Not too big, but heavier.
Like the ones you bought?
Yeah. Yep, back there. Got a snapper? I got a snapper or a grunt? Another fat freaking grunt.
Keep it.
Caleb.
It's a good size.
It is a good size. It's a big grunt. That's a big grunt, huh? All right, grunt. I'm gonna keep you. I'm gonna keep this grunt.
quiet, babe. Come on.
Alright, Mr. Grunt, you're gonna get kept. I'm throwing back there in the boondocks back there. How we always throw. The current's going out this way. Current's going that way, out. But I'm throwing back in. For some reason, last time I figured that we weren't catching two fish last time because we was too far in there. I felt like the fish can feel us or something. So what I did was I set out the channel on the outside, see if the fish will bite better, and I guess it worked because they're biting better.
I mean, me personally, if I was just a fish, you know, chilling, I feel like I'd be able to sense a 18, 20-foot boat just sitting on top of me, throwing stuff in my face. Just like a little observation. I feel like if I was sitting there, I'd be like, dang, why is it cloudy today? I didn't know there was clouds in the water. That's crazy.
One thing about fishing, you always learn something. The more you come out here, the more you do this stuff, you just start picking up on little things and start learning, you know, start learning how to fish bite, their tendencies and stuff like that. You know, the more you come out here, the more you start picking up on stuff. So that's something I picked up on last time we was out here. Well, last couple of times we came to the spot. So just little tendencies that the fish tend to do that I picked up on. So just keep fishing. You want to learn something about fishing? Keep fishing. That's what you do. Keep fishing. You'll eventually get it. You'll start figuring that junk out. You'll start figuring out the water. You know how the water is. You know where it's safe to ride, where it's not safe to ride, how to fish bite. Fish like this way, that way. Keep doing it. You'll figure it out. All right. See you in a minute. All right, on another one. Let's see if it's another one of these grunts. Whatever it is, fat grunt. It's a grunt or the snapper? Oh, the snapper. We own snappers, guys. He's probably a little too small, right?
Yeah.
He's probably a little too small. He's probably right there, but by the time he get home, he'll probably be too small. So we'll throw him back. All right, so trying to get Caleb out there on something good. Trying to get him out there. Let's see if I can get him out there far enough. Maybe we can get one. Maybe his rod will have enough line on it, probably. Let it sit right there. All right, so we finally got our first snapper for the day. We can get some snappers to take home. We know on something?
Yeah.
On something really nice back here.
Nah.
Back here. Blue runner?
Yup.
Say that blue runner. Say that runner.
Man, he's strong.
Say that blue runner.
What the heck? Oh, what you, man? What do you eat? Creatine? Fool, eat protein powder for breakfast.
Nice blue runner.
Just put that jug in his mouth and go on.
We're gonna save this blue runner for bait. We're gonna go outside a little bit and try to redeem ourselves from last time that fish ran me into the you know what. Save him. And gonna keep trying to catch some snappers. At least we can take some fish home to cook. There's some bunch of stuff back here. I see them all back there. Trying to snap it down there? I see them all. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to the front and keep trying up front. See what we can get. And we'll get back with you in a minute. I want another one. There's a snapper. Look at that big old jack. God dang. Big jack. Big old jack. That snapper look legal right there. That's a legal snapper. That's illegal. That's illegal.
I fell in the water, I got scared.
It's a big jack there now. Saw.
Yeah. Almost same as the one we caught a couple years ago.
Yeah. That's legal. Yep, that's a catch and cook right there.
I go home after that.
Forget it. Just go home.
Yeah, forget it. Today's not the day. Weather's bad. GPS is still not working.
Yes, no GPS today. We're fishing some old stuff, some old spots that we always come to that I know how to get to, that I know for sure it's safe to get to, ride to, and get to without looking at GPS. So we got a new one though. We're gonna do an unboxing real soon, so look out for it. I ain't gonna tell you what kind it is. I won't tell you what nothing, but you'll see. It's pretty cool. So we'll stay here and keep getting on these snappers. I'm see if I can try to get Caleb on something so he can catch something. By the way, go check out Caleb's video. I mean, YouTube channel. He got his channel called F for Fishing. F-O-R-F-I-S-H-I-N-G. Check out Caleb's channel. Go like and subscribe to his channel. He got some cool videos on there fishing. So, yeah, go look at it. Take a look at it. All right. See you guys a little bit.
Caleb.
Yeah.
All right, so we decided to move spots because, well, the fish stopped biting. We think it's because the manatee pulled up. I don't know, man. That's probably why. He probably got scared because a big guy started to roll in. Absolutely. It's whatever. So we decided to switch spots. We're now here at the entrance, sort of, to the ghetto. I don't know what this part of this is called.
Blackwater Sound.
Blackwater Sound, that's what it's called. We're in Blackwater Sound. We take Blackwater Sound, and you gotta find the ghetto from there. You see, you gotta, the ghetto calls you. You don't call the ghetto. That's how it works. You have to, it finds you, and you go to it. Anyways, so we're just fishing here for a bit, see what we can find, see if we get something good, and we'll get back with you and catch a fish.
Hey,
Got a grunt. Got a grunt. I'm gonna try. I saw a barracuda. I'm gonna try so I can get him this grunt.
Sorry, little man.
We can catch him with this grunt. I'm gonna put him on this rod.
the big boy
A
rod.
leader, a wire leader. See if we can get that barracuda over there. Why not? I don't want to kill him, I just want to hurt him. Put a hole in him. Throw him out there like that. Let's see if we can get him. Let's see. Leave that there and see what happens. See if we can get Mr. Cooler. So we're fishing in the opening of Blackwater Sound, between Blackwater Sound and I think it's Largo Sound. Oh no, Blackwater Sound and Little Blackwater Sound. Blackwater Sound back there behind us. There's Little Blackwater Sound over here next to it, in front of us. So that's where we're fishing in between.
Blackwater Sound is little brother.
So I don't mind telling you this spot because, you know, everybody knows this spot. Other spots I won't tell you. So I caught 2 little grunts so far with being here. We're gonna try some other stuff, and then we're gonna see if we can catch some snappers or something to take home. We're snapper fishing today. All right, it's a hot day. Monday, it's Father's Day tomorrow, and you know, doing a little fishing for Father's Day. All right, I'm getting a bite right now, by the way. Let's see if I can get him. Let's see if I can get him.
All right.
Sorry's on
There
Monday.
you go. All right, catch you in a minute. It's like a breed of all 3. Mutton's right, snapper, mutton is.
Yelton.
No, there's no tail that's yellow. The heck are you, little man? The heck are you, little man? Go back. Get your granddad.
So we're in a different spot right now. We're gonna keep our eyes on these clouds. If it gets worse, we want to get out of here. But so far, as long as they stay offshore, we're all right. We're not offshore. We're maybe like 15 feet or something. So as long as they stay offshore, we're all right. But the lighthouse there, I can't see the lighthouse anymore. It rain like it's moving north. Look like it. I'm not sure. But as long as they stay out there, I think we're all right. So we're gonna sit here for a while. I don't know if you remember that we came here a couple, like maybe 2 videos ago. We came here to number 301 marker right there. I mean, and some fish kind of ran us off, and you know, kind of come back and get some redemption. See what we can catch out here, and then we'll take it in and see what else we can find on our way back in. But for now, we'll hang here and see what we can get. Another one of these boo-boo snappers. Keep swallowing my hook.
Guess this is a learning experience for me today. Oh snap, what the heck? Oh, that's his hands, my bad. I was about to say, what the heck is wrong with you? How do you do this? Ah, he's attacking me, guys.
Yeah, attack back.
Attack back, what you want me to do, slap him? Ah. Eh.
Are we moving?
Hmm? You drifting? No, it just turned. I don't want to die, so I'm not just putting him in the water. Yeah, he gonna bite my hand. Alright, you know what? It's fine. I ain't need a hook for real. I got that. I'll take it off of this.
There's that one.
You can end it. Look, now she got one.
It's raining a bit, guys.
That's how you catch a fish.
Nash fish.
He broke my finger.
Take it off, man. Like that.
Alright, go back. Nash in.
Raining a bit. Weather's it's not falling apart, but it is crumbling. I will tell you that it's crumbling today, you know, at the seams. Okay, it's starting to crack. It's cracking. It's cracking a lot. It's cracking. You know, which is fine. Fixable. See?
Tony likes to fish in the rain. Daddy likes to fish in the rain.
And the fish bite better in the rain.
I don't know what those snappers are. Those aren't lane snappers.
Yeah, like lame.
Huh?
Yeah, like lame or something.
Thanks.
It looked like, no, I don't know if that's what it is.
My jet ski got a little booster seat next to it.
Got one, Ashley?
Already?
That easy? Dang.
Yeah, all the same.
Wow.
Yeah.
That one. Dang it. Oh, dang it. Sure. That one.
Everybody take a deep breath.
Shut up. Oh, dang it. Come on, Caleb. Come on, Caleb.
I ain't got no one.
No.
Got it. Down. Got hands. Best wide receiver out here.
There's one. There's one for you.
That was my fish. Whose fish was it first? Daddy's. I fell on my boat. Wait,
Oh, it's old.
take it. Hold up and then take it.
So, it's my second fish of the day. It has yellow snapper. It has like yellow on it, and it's like a snapper. So you want my catch my next fish? Go in the water. Come here, let me take this off.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Don't show his family. What do you get?
Mommy, clearly unlocked it.
Man, it's got one. All this thing right in here is these little snappers, lane snappers, what do they call them? Back to back, buddy. So we catch them. Alright, go ahead. Guys, it's starting to rain, started getting deteriorating out here, so time to head back in. Oh, we had an alright day. It wasn't spectacular, but it's alright. You know, we caught some fish, a couple fish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And post notifications on. Don't forget the main snappers, a whole bunch of them. So starting to deteriorate. Light, I have to have thunder and get a little sprinkling rain. So we're gonna try to get out of here before we get rained on again. All right. See you guys next video.